Alright, so we're back here out on the XRT, February 23rd. We got all satellites on the GPS. Ambient temperature on the ground, 93.9. Check it on the motor, 86. ESC you can see right through there. So we're gonna hit it right on the fans. It's looking at 92.3 coming out of the 93. So and I think out here today, let's see here. Out here today, the watch says it's 73, which I'm sure it's a little bit warmer than that. So we're gonna check this thing out. This is video number 2. See how it goes. Move this out the way. Runs pretty smooth. Did some adjustments so that it doesn't pull right too much. Let's see how she does going up the street. Not bad, she barely pulls to the left. Unfortunately, the bar is on there. Don't have any adjustment. You gotta do your adjustment in the servo. Coming back, just did a little fine adjustment. It's barely pulling to the right, so there's not much else I can do as far as that. If I go down, it'll barely pull to the left. If I change it again, it'll barely pull to the right. So that's about all we're gonna get for this. So we got the chassis pretty stiff. Got my wheels and tires on there with the M2C hubs for 24 mil. We got that whole kit down there. So what we're gonna do right now, pull it up. So we're gonna do track, start. We're just gonna run it down there about half throttle. Come back, here we go. Try to get used to that throttle. Sound pretty good for those gears. This track's pretty straight too. Off the throttle, slowing down, trying to turn her around, bring her back a little faster. Off the throttle, let her coast. Not trying to beat her up too much. All right, let's see what we got just off the little bit one. Testing. Gonna stop, read, 36 miles an hour with this gearing. That wasn't even full throttle. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back, we're gonna track it, we're gonna start it, see how it goes. All right. We're actually gonna put a little bit on this here. We're not gonna launch, but we're just gonna ease into it and go. All right. Because I don't want it to wheelie. I gotta be careful of those cars, so we're gonna turn it around and bring it back. I did hit full throttle for just a split second right there at the end. You probably saw the front end lift up right before I started slowing down. That was to see if it can handle it. So let's see here. We got stop, read, 47 miles an hour on road. 47 miles an hour. And that was only running at about a distance of 801 feet. 801 feet. Let's bring it back up here though. Let's check the temperatures of the motor. Seems to run pretty good when you want to go back and forth, back and forth. Let's put the bad controller down. See if we can test this motor. See if I can get some on it. Okay. Motor seems to be running about 73. How's the pinion? 73. How's the ESC? 79.3. See if I can get this spot with the motor. 75.7. So it looks like he's still running cool after a couple little pulls here on the road. So that's good. So let's go back out to the street. We're gonna just drive it down to the end because I don't want to lose it. Oh, wait a minute, we got a car moving. Let's see if they come out the way. If they get out the way, I'm gonna bring it all the way down to that driveway down there and just bring it straight. Hopefully by the street entrance, we could be about full throttle, see what it runs. So let's see here, let's bring it back up. So let's go back. Let's go to track, start. All right, close it out, put it in my pocket for a second. Let's see what we do. I'm kind of hoping this car moves sometime soon. You know, trying to get a good test. Kind of want this thing in the mid to high 50s, probably 55 to 60 with the gearing it has. Still trying to figure out what the guesstimated miles per hour is, but you know, man, this guy is taking forever. Let's just send it. In fact, let's send it over here by the curb so nobody comes around that corner and hits him. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Is he gonna go to the right? Oh, he's going to the right. Yes, beautiful. So let's hurry up and go down. Let's go down. Signal seems to be pretty good. Don't seem to have any issues. Oh, look at, she turns on a dime. All right, let's send it. Full throttle. Ooh. She got a little squirrely. She got a little squirrely. Still sounds all right. See what she got. All right. So we're gonna stop, read 47. Man, we gotta try that again. So we gotta go do track, start, testing, send her back down. I know she's gotta be faster than this. Gotta be faster than this.